everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home on this beautiful day. Today I have a dear friend of mine, Anna, who will be popping by for lunch before we head off to go up north together. And I've decided I'm going to make her a very nice portobello dish. Absolutely delicious and super easy to make. Now let's get started. It's the season for mushrooms right now, and they're in abundance and they're all sizes and all kinds. But for today, we're going to use the portobello. We're going to start off by cleaning the ends. Now the stem. You don't want the stem, it's really tough. I'm going to clean the stem. And it makes everything dark brown. So we're just going to, with a spoon, it comes out quite easily. See? Perfect. My 4 portobellos are ready. Olive oil, my portobello mushrooms. Be generous. I'm going to do the other side. Now the mushrooms are just going to drink it all up. Look at this, how it's just disappearing. That's what you want. Salt them with kosher salt and turn them around and salt the inside. I love black pepper with mushrooms. Oh, my grill has been preheating. It's nice and warm. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on here. We're ready for the grilling. We're going to start with the round part of the portobello first, down. And we're just going to leave it alone. You can use any stone fruit that you like. You can use peaches, you can use apricots. I really like plums. And so I'm using plums, and they're not very ripe, and you don't want them very ripe because I'm going to be grilling them as well. I'm just going to coat them with olive oil, and I'm going to salt them, and a little bit of black pepper. Plums. First, I'm going to put the round side down. I'm just going to leave them alone to grill. I have a cup and a half of chestnuts. This is going to be part of my garnish. My portobellos are ready. They took about 12 minutes. And now my plums are grilling. I'm just going to put a little bit of peach schnapps. It was 10 minutes on the back, and I'm going to turn them over for about another 6 minutes. Because they were not ripe, they are going to take a little bit longer. We're grilling 10 minutes on each side. Depends on your griller. And now this is what you want. You can see the lovely grill marks. It's cups of corn. I'm turning off the stove. I'm leaving my grill the way it is, and all I'm going to do is just put the kernels on top. Lightly salt and pepper, and my corn is ready. You slice them into 4s. You can go thinner if you like. Add my plums to my corn. I'm going to give this a really good mix. Beautiful. I love the colors. My chestnuts that I chopped. Good mix. And we can start with the mushrooms. The portobellos have cooled, and now I'm going to slice them. So meaty, so hearty. Ready for plating. My sweet Anna is on her way. Plums, like this. Now you can plate it whichever way you like. I just like plating it this way. I would even serve this for dinner. There we are. Beautiful. And 1 Portobello for me. And one for Anna. How lovely is that? But we're not done yet. Cap it up with some balsamic glaze. It's going to give it such a lovely taste. There we are. Oop. And a little bit of the portobello, a little bit of the glaze, a little bit, oh, the chestnuts. Oh my goodness, it's so good. So good, so delicious. And you saw how easy it was to make in minutes. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. It's Katerina from My Home to Yours.